कर्नाटका बेंगलुरु एडवोकेट सीआर मोहम्मद इम्तियाज ने कहा कि कॉलेजेस और स्कूल्स को वार्न करते हुए कहा कि अगर पीयूसी और एसएलसी के इम्तिहान के दौरान हिजाब पहनकर आई लड़कियों को इम्तिहान नहीं देने दिया तो कोर्ट ऑफ कंटेम्प्ट होगा। कर्नाटका हाईकोर्ट के मुताबिक हिजाब पहनकर इम्तिहान लिखा जा सकता है। एडवोकेट सीआर मोहम्मद इम्तियाज ने कहा कि जो ऑर्डर कर्नाटका हाईकोर्ट ने दिया है उसको किसी ने भी चैलेंज नहीं किया, लिहाजा इस ऑर्डर को सुप्रीम कोर्ट में भी चैलेंज नहीं किया जा सकता। रियासती वजीर बराए तालीम मधु बंगारप्पा और दूसरे एमएलए और मिनिस्टर्स को भी इस बात का इल्म होना चाहिए। 2 रोज पहले वजीर तालीम मधु बंगारप्पा ने हिजाब पहनकर इम्तिहान ना लिखने की बात कही थी। तो आइए देखते हैं तफसीली रिपोर्ट। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट अतराफ टीवी उर्दू न्यूज।
चेयरमैन ऑफ कर्नाटका स्टेट माइनॉरिटी एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशंस फेडरेशन, I want to bring to the notice of the parents, students and management that the High Court of Karnataka in a writ petition number 3853 of 2022, in which the government has issued a government order restricting the wearing of hijab in colleges and schools and examination centers like CET, JET and others. So on that day, we have challenged a writ petition before the same court in the same matter. The High Court of Karnataka, the Chief Justice of Karnataka has issued an order in favor of minorities stating that government has no power to interfere in minority education institutions and their students. And a direction has also been given to the Department of Education plus DIG of the police, Commissioner of the police to protect due protection to the student of minority students who are appearing examination or appearing colleges. They should not be troubled any person outside person. So in spite of that, we have sent all the letters to the department people. Last from 2 years, somehow they will manage and there is no problem. Now in this year 25, the Education Minister Madhu Bangarappa has given a statement in papers stating that Muslim students are not allowed to wear hijab and appear examination. We are not going to allow the students. So in this respect, now I have brought this court order. This is a court order which has given by the Chief Justice of Karnataka stating that minorities have got right to wear their own interested, and government has no power on the minority institutions or in the students to restrict them for appearing examination or colleges. Once again, I have sent all the letters to all department officials, including Prime Minister Modi and the Central Education Minister also. So if they fail to do actually anything against our student, we are going to file a criminal contempt of court against the education ministers and the secretaries and other officials of the education department. The students and parents are requested. This order is valid. The other order has been challenged in the Supreme Court, but this order has not been challenged by anyone in the Supreme Court. So this order is valid till today also. So I request the parents and students not to worry about this. We are here to protect you by taking an action against the government. If government fails to protect our student, we are going to take action against the government also. And also I am giving a memorandum to the Governor of Karnataka in respect of this and against the government. The government is going against the minorities. After getting in power from our votes, they are doing all our against. But I am sorry to say that our ministers, MLAs and MLCs, they have not raised their voice because they are all belongs to the same category of the politicians.
अतराफ टीवी, हर बात सच के साथ। इस न्यूज को स्पॉन्सर किया है SAR फैंटेसी वाटर पार्क, सारे फैमिली का एंटरटेनमेंट, पिकनिक, हॉलिडे, वेकेशन, सबके लिए बेहतरीन वाटर पार्क। आप भी आइए, सबको लाइए। SAR फैंटेसी वाटर पार्क। Veernakoppam near Gaushavali Dargah, KGF, Karnataka. Contact details 9483444290 9480107826.